him about this. Two's company, but four's a blast. What a shot! He whacks it over the fielders' heads. Bounces for four. Come on! That's a well-judged catch by the fielder. A set batsman at the other end. He needs all the support from the new man. The bowler gets a rap on the knuckles for that helmet blaster. A lovely leg glance, well edged by the batsman. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. Looks like he has to make a dive to save his wicket. The shouts are loud. The umpire isn't. No wicket here. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. What agility. He stopped that brilliantly. No luck for the batsman at the end of that over. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. Oh, that was a nasty one. Well left. Steps out his front foot and defends that beautifully. To run for it. A great effort from the fielder, but he fails to stop the ball in the end. The ball is not stopping for anyone. Come on! They took a bit of time to get the field set up right. He knows every run stop counts. Nicely set back with a strong flexing action. For a solid defense this time. A tiny dot ball to end.
न्यूजीलैंड के लिए हम तैयार हैं। क्या आपकी ड्रीम 11 तैयार है?
The over. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. He flicks it away onto the onside this time for more runs. The batsman might be in trouble here. He has to push to stay on. That's a good throw by the fielder. Getting right back in the slot. Such a neat dismissal. Fantastic delivery. The bails are lit. What a delivery. A really special innings needed from him to pull him over the finish line. He struck the meaty bit of willow there. A whale of an onside shot. With that delivery. A fielder is going to try to get a hold. The medium pacer has been into the attack now. That's some clever use of the wrist from the batsman. An amazing effort in the end from the fielder. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. A wild leap of desperation. Did he make it? The bowler goes up with excitement, but no, says the umpire in the end. Batsman's off the mark with that single. That was an educated edge there from the batsman. Plays it down the leg side. An impressive stint by both batsmen. Fielders are making their move in the ground. Keeper. Two more and he'll retain the strike. Such a perfect length from the bowler. The batsman was in two.
For last-minute party needs, India's last-minute app.
Lines there, well contained. A dot ball to end. He's a real shotgun, this one. Let's see if he can generate some swing. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. A perfect delivery. It has deceived the batsman completely. He's lofted it just right. Bounce and boundary.
Catch it.
A premature end to a promising start. Caught out. That's the first wicket down in this innings. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here. An off spinner joins in the middle. They're desperate for a wicket now. Time for some spin now. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. From the fielding unit. They need to keep this momentum going forward. What a block! Amazing speed and reaction time from the fielder. That's out by a mile. The stumps have lit up. He dives wildly back to the crease. Is he out? He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. The batsman presses forward in defence. A pacer who's known for his physical intensity. Can he up his game today? A change of pace. That's absolutely magnificent. Tipperary, and that stunning six. Blinding speed and a quick throw. Now that's a stop. He's got a great arm and knows how to use it. What a throw. Opening the tally with a quick single. Are pulling out all the stops by making all the stops. He's scrambling back to the blocks. Can he make it? The bails fly up, but the umpire's finger doesn't. He's safe. Skip, and the ball whooshes away to leg. That over was an all-you-can-eat buffet. Expensive and satisfying for the batting. An off-spinner joins in the middle. They're desperate for a wicket now. Time for some spin now. An off-spinner comes into the attack. He's got it in hand. Chucks it right back. That looks like a big one. Work for his money. A spirited defense. That's a fantastic stop. Some real athletics on the field today. Gets underneath the ball this time and lofts it for a six off the last ball. A good over for the batting team. A very good partnership by the two out in the middle. A pacer who's known for his physical intensity. Can he up his game today? A change of pace. A fast bowler. Is that going to be a four? Keeper! Cheetah! Great coordination between the pair. That's good running. Sensational effort in the field there. He makes a perfect throw to return the ball close to the stump. A fine double that'll push the tally ahead. Swept across with no mercy. The dry spell ends with that refreshing four. One bounce and into the fence. He's driven it hard and home, frolicking down the pitch. It's a loud shout and the batsman is unsure. The umpire says he's safe, not out. Well bowled, nothing conceded. That was some sensational stuff to watch from the fielder. Oh, what a delivery. No happy ending for the batsman at the end of that over. Will this medium pacer bolt past the batting line? We'll know soon. The medium pacer, he's almost knocked his block off. A savage pitch bouncer gets a strong warning. A safe pair of hands from the fielder. He is the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and anchor the innings. Could have easily nicked the bat. Excellent delivery. The batting side are no doubt getting frustrated. A wild swinging delivery. The batsman is in real trouble now. Out, says the umpire, and huge celebrations from the fielding unit. The batsman's going to ask to review that decision. The batsman has decided to review this. And the umpire has reversed his decision. That means the batsman stays on at the crease. No luck for batting in that over. There goes a wicket. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. He goes for the full shot this time. He has to run hard on this one to be safe. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. Whacks it flat and hard to extra cover.
Bowler!
Opening the tally with a quick single. A swing and a miss. The batsman got lucky there. He's played it with soft hands on the onside. Unbelievable stuff from the fielder. The crowd's gone berserk. He hits long and hard, down the ground, over the ropes it goes. Four off the over's last ball. A good over for the batting team. A pacer who's known for his physical intensity. Can he up his game today? A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. That's a good throw by the fielder. Getting right back at the stumps. He's devastated that ball. Thumped over the field for four. Him. The batsman is gone. The bails are lit. What a delivery. Oh. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hustle. Such an intimidating swing. To end the over.
Lenskart Iconic Sale. Enjoy up to 60% off.
Some variation in this one's deliveries. Are the gods of speed in his favour? The medium pacer has been the attack now. That was well judged by the fielder. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. He flicks it away onto the onside this time for more runs. There's no stopping that turf wrecker. 4 runs it is. Leaves the batsman totally baffled. No run again. Clever bowling by the bowler. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the end. A quick shuffle and it's all in the wrists as the ball flies down leg side. The batsman strikes a double on the final day. He's a real shotgun, this one. Let's see if he can generate some swing. A change of pace. A fast. It doesn't seem to be timed well. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw back to the stumps. That's given out by the umpire. Let's see what happens here. A review is signalled by the batsman and they go up to the third umpire. And the umpire has reversed his decision. That means the batsman stays on at the crease. No more singles out to mingle with that swapper. What a sixer! And slogs it on the onside. He's played right into the fielder's hands. He has to anchor the innings and look to stick till the end to put up a good total. Finds the middle of the bat and he goes for the on drive. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. A quick couplet from the batter that the bowler's not singing a happy tune. What a way to save the boundary. That was a well-timed dive. He plays a lovely square cut with good use of the feet. is. The bowler goes over the line. No ball given by the umpire. One bounce and over the fence. An unfortunate error by the bowler. The umpire grants the batting. He swings for the big one. But he knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. A free hit coming up. That's a good opportunity to grab for the batting unit. It looks like it's going all the way, and it does. 4. Will he make it 3 boundaries in a row here? It's raining boundaries here. Not able to control the line and length on this spell. A deadly combination versus the ball when these guys are paired up. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? He is on a poor spell here. He has to pick up his game from now on and try and look for some wickets. Gets underneath the ball this time and lofts it for a 6 off the last ball. A poor over from the bowler. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. The ball races away to the boundary. He's taken the aerial route. It's gone for a 4. That's a loose delivery from the bowler. That's a clear no ball. He's struggling to get into a good rhythm in this stint. Two's company, but three's a hat trick. Can he do it? It's nice to see these two at either end. Always makes for great. He's down on one knee, proposing to, and he doesn't seem to be stoppable here. Another 4. The bowler has used all the weapons in his armory, but nothing is working. The over's last ball. A stunning victory, and yet another feather in their cap as the ultimate winners. An incredible show of sporting caliber. Truly the man of the match. The bowling really showcased some raw talent out there today, with some well-taken critical wickets and a creative lineup by the captain. It really was their day today. It's time for the highlights from the batting team. The wickets were tumbling today against a quality attack. Let's take a look at some of the good shots from the batsmen.